Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and this time I'm back with just a little quick fix. That's right, nothing too long, nothing too crazy, just something that I think is an amazing find for under $30. But before we get into all the details on this beauty, let's unbox her and check it out. The wig we're trying today is Miss Anniston from the Outre Lakefront Deluxe line. I saw this during an online sale and I could not pass up the chance to give it a try. This is a T-part lace wig, which means it has 5-inch parting in the middle, but you can feel free to turn it off to the side. It did come pre-plucked on the sideburns, and it is high heat resistant. As you can see, it's pretty breathable from the inside of the wig cap. You've got your standard 2 combs on the side, and then you also have a comb in the back right above the elastic band. First impression of this wig, I am so in love with the texture of it. That's why I can't stop running my fingers through it. I purchased this in the color Cinnamon Mocha, and the color placement on this wig did not disappoint. I love that they kept the roots dark, and I also love that they have the lighter color in the front of the wig to kind of frame your face. So I'm already impressed. Let's not stop there. Let's go ahead and get into this wig install real quick. Yes, I am feeling Miss Aniston. Okay. She was so easy to install and I love the final results. I can definitely see this being one of my newest go-to wigs, especially when I'm on the run. Meet me in the comment section and let me know if you would give her a try too. Thanks for watching. See you soon.